If you want to impress someone with your Excel skill, prepare a budget versus actual chart that looks something like this. Ready to learn? Let's go. First, select the month, budget, and the actual column like this. Then you go Insert, and under Charts, you're going to insert a bar chart that looks something like this. Now, reposition and resize that bar chart. Now, to overlap the two bar charts together, right-click on the orange bar chart here, click on Format Data Series, and then you're going to select secondary from this selection here, and you can see that those two bar charts overlap on top of each other. Next, to align the y-axis, you're going to choose the highest value among these two y-axes here. 90,000 seems to be more higher than the 80,000, so right click on the 80,000 and then go say Format Axis, and you're going to change this maximum values to 90,000 like this and hit enter, and this should look similar to this y-axis here. Now, to make the bar chart stand out from each other, you're going to make one of the bar chart larger than the other one. So you're going to right click on the blue bar chart, Format Data Series. In here on the gap width, you're going to change this to at least 60% so that you can actually see the difference between budget and actual bar chart. Next, we'll include the difference column on your bar chart as a data label. First, you're going to right click on the orange bar chart here, and you're going to say Add Data Label, and this will show the orange value as a data label here. Now, to change this into your difference column, right click on your data label like this, Format Data Labels, and in here you're going to select Values for Cell, and you're going to click this button here and select the difference column like this and hit enter once and twice, and then after that you should see two values on your data label. Now, to remove the remaining one, you're going to remove value and basically remove show leader line like this, and then close that pop-up window on the side. And to make the data label a bit more obvious to read, you can basically go to home when the data label is selected and change this fill color to be yellow, and maybe change the font color to be red so that they're a bit obvious to see. And to seal the deal, I'll remove the chart border, add the chart title as budget versus actual, then remove chart horizontal lines, remove both y-axis, and then finally change the color for the budget bar chart to be light orange.